In honor of summer and upcoming cookouts, we're gonna make black bean burgers today. First step, we're gonna create our binder. This is a completely plant-based recipe, so we're gonna use a flax egg. You're gonna put 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds with 3 tablespoons of water and set it aside to thicken for 5 minutes. I added 1 can of black beans into this mixing bowl, and I took a paper towel and got some of the excess moisture off. Now I'm going to just mash them down with a fork, or if you have like a potato masher, that works too. For a little spice, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of sriracha chili paste, ½ cup of breadcrumbs. You want them to be gluten-free. These are gluten-free panko. 1 cup of quinoa. Now for some spice, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of paprika, some salt and pepper to taste. Now add your gelatinized flax seeds and then stir to combine. Now you will form them into your little patties and put them on a parchment-lined baking sheet. We'll put these in an oven preheated at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for about 25 minutes. All right, the time has come. We're gonna pull these out of the oven, and this is what your finished product is gonna look like. These would be great served with your favorite burger toppings, such as lettuce, tomato, onions, pickles, or your favorite condiments. Enjoy for your next cookout.